Welcome to NCS Connects. My name is Gerald Menace, and today we will be continuing our exercise series. I like to do circuit training workouts. It's a great way to help with cardio, release a lot of endorphins, and get your heart rate up. So I hope you have fun. Hey everybody, let's get started. So we're going to do 50 jump ropes, nice and slow, and then move into plank position. Great job, everyone. You may have messed up a few times, and that's okay. I messed up too. You'll see those later. But now we're on the planks. You want to keep your back as straight as possible. Put your weight on your toes and your elbows, and hold for 30 seconds. Now we're on the one-legged jump ropes. We want to do 25 each leg. As you can see, it's kind of hard to keep balance and to stay in your lane, and that's okay. As you build up strength in your legs by doing more jump rope, you'll get better and better. I know your calves are a little bit sore after those one-legged jump ropes. So now we're gonna hop into some squats. Work them legs some more. Go at your own pace. This activity will be challenging for a lot of people. Make sure you perform the activity the best way that suits you. Most importantly, have fun. Invite friends and family to join in. Take turns doing each activity. One person is jumping rope while the other was doing push-ups, for example. This encourages more people to jump in and get exercise. And now we have push-ups, followed by 50 regular jumps. Almost there. Keep pushing, keep jumping that rope. After those 50 set of jump ropes are complete, we have 10 lunges each leg, followed by one more set of ski jumps. overexert yourself, meaning don't go too hard. And if you're tired, take longer breaks. Adaptations. If you don't have a jump rope, you can still do the movements. It's just as effective and it's still fun. Great job so far. Keep it up. This is the end of the first circuit, and we're going to end it with 50 ski jumps, which are basically jumping from side to side 50 times. Take a little bit of rest after this. Get ready for the next set. Nice, you finished the first set. Now do as many sets as you can within the allotted 20 minutes. Go at your own pace safely and get a nice workout in. Stay home, be safe, be healthy. We'll get through this together. Hey everyone, hope you had a great workout. This workout was intended to get your heart rate going, get you sweating, get you to release some of them endorphins so you get to start feeling nice and strong, just like I do. It was intended to make you feel better. I hope you do feel better. And if you do and you get seeing some gains, then remember to hashtag NCS Connects. Have a great day.